Now this is solving simple equation in modular arithmetic. It's similar to the multiplication we did earlier, but we're not going to go deep into it. Now these are the questions I look for in the textbook so that you can understand this thing. Now look at the first one. They said 8 plus s equals to 0 mod 9. So how do we solve this? Now the first thing is that you transfer this 8 to the other side. So what we have here is that I'll be solving this thing one after the other. So you have x equals to minus 8 mod what? Mod 9. Now you are going to look at how you can add 9 to this number. So that will be what? It will be positive, because this one is x straightforward. There's no number at the front, so it's very easy for you that. But note that number here that you are going to add there, number that should be here, should not be more than this 9. If it's more than 9, then you're wrong. Now when I add 9 to minus 8, I'll get 1. So x equals to what? 1. I'll get 1. When I add 9 to it also, when I add 9 to 1, I'll get 10. So it means that 10 is bigger than this 9, mod 9 here. So I'm going to stop at what? Mod 9. So this is my final answer. This is where I will stop. When I add 9 plus minus 8, I'll get plus 1, mod 9. When I add 9 again to 1, I'll get 10. So this 10 is more than 9, so I cannot write that one. So I have to stop here. You should get that logic. You get it along. Now the next one now, you are going to transfer this plus 3 to the other side, becomes minus 3. So you have 2x equals to minus 3. Minus 3 what? Mod what? Mod 6. Now this is what we're going to do now. Now you continue adding. You continue adding this. When you add, you are continue adding 6 to this minus 3, so that the number will be divisible by 2. Did you get that logic now? You continue adding 6 to minus 3, so that at the end of the day, the number you should get should be divisible by 6. And if I add 6 to minus 3, I will get 3. If I add 3 to 6, I will get 9. If I add 6 to 9, I will get 15. If I add 6 to 15, I will get 21. If I add 6 to 21, I will get 27. Now, do you see what I'm doing now? 6 plus minus 3 will give me 3. 6 plus this 3 will give me 9. 9 plus 6 will give me 15. 15 plus 6 will give me 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. 27 plus 6, that should give us 33, if I'm right. 27 plus 6 should give us 33. Sorry. 27 plus 6, that's 33. 33 plus 6, 39. 39 plus 6, 45. 45 plus 6, 51. Plus it is not possible that this one here, you cannot find a number that you can divide it by what? By 2. So it means this one, you can't find the what? You can't find the moduli. You can't find the answer. So it means this one here is not all modulars that you can get their final answer. That is why I included this particular question there for you. Because you'll not be wondering that, what am I going to do? I cannot find this answer. So this one now, what? It has no what? No solution. It doesn't have solution for this now. So just note that. That is that for that one. Then let's move on to the next one. Number 3. I don't want to like. So you can pause the video and copy this particular solution. Now number 3. Let's look at this together. No, hey, I'm trying to shocking master. Okay, sorry for this. Now let's go. So in this one we have 6x minus 2 mod what? Mod 4. So we have 6x minus 2. So you have to transfer this minus 2 to that side, becomes plus 2. So you have 6x equals to what? Equals to 2 mod what? Mod 4. So you continue adding 4 to this 2 to be divisible by 6. When I add 4 plus 2, let me write it here. I will get what? I will get 6. 4 plus 2. So at 6 will be the 4 plus 2 again. 4 plus 6, that is 10. 4 plus 10, 14. This is what? 18. Right? You can see what I'm doing now. 18 plus 4, that is what? 22. 22 plus 4, that is what? 26. 26 plus 4, that is what? Is 30. Now I will show you something here. Now this 6 can divide, right? So if I have 6, I can say, it means I can translate this now as saying 6x equals to 6 mod what? Mod 4, right? So because 6 can divide, so when I divide both sides by 6, so I'll divide both sides by 6, both sides by 6, 6 cancels 6, 6 here 1, 6 here what, 1. So your answer here is 1, what, mod 4. Now because when you added it, when we use 4 to divide it, we have 1. As in when you divide it by 4, the answer you get, remainder, sorry, 6 goes in 6 is 1, because this 1 is what is less than 4, so we can write the 1. You know, I told you that number that when you divide it, number that should be here should be less than number that is what that is here. Now let me use 18 also, because 18 can go in 18, 6 can go in 18, so it means we have 6x equals to what, 18, right, mod 4, right? So when you use 6 to divide this thing, 6 can go, 6 divided by 6, right? 6 here 1, 6 here what is 3. So it means we still have another what, 3 what, mod 4. So you can see that, but when you use 30, let me show you something. When you use 30 goes in 6, 6 goes in 30 is 5, abi? 4 goes in 5 is 1, remainder 1, you still get this thing back. That's why I said you still get back 1 mod 5. This is what I'm saying. So if you have, let me just bring this thing down. I don't want you to be confused. If you have 30, if I use 30 here now I've gotten 18, another one is 30. So I have 6x over 6 equals to 30 over 6 mod 4. Now 6 cancels 6. 6 here is 1. 6 in 30 is what, is 5. So I have 5 what, mod 4. No, my rules, I said number here should be less than what, should be less than 4. But since you have here 4 goes in 5 is still 1 remainder 1. That is 1 mod 4. You still get back this number here. So there's no need for you going further. If a number is bigger than 4, that's mod 4 is bigger than mod 4, you don't have to go further. Just stop at number less than 4 to make it easier for you. It means the value here, the value we get here, there are two values here. We have 1 mod 4 and 3 mod 4. So that is the answer for that number 3. I think number 3, yes. So let's now move to number 4. From there we continue solving. I want us to understand this particular simple equation very well, so that you have an understanding of how modular arithmetic work from the beginning to the end. So nobody can just like tell you that do you know this, do you know that? And some questions are very, very simple. It's just applying the principle of what modular arithmetic. That is when you can solve it. I don't like doing this. Okay, but you have to do it. You have to do it. I don't want to clean this question off. Now the next one, now look at the next one. The next one is saying that you have 3s plus 5. So if I transfer this 5 here, it becomes minus 5. So 2 minus 5, I don't know, because of some of us that are not that good in mathematics. So 3x, when I transfer this 5 here, is plus 5, it becomes minus 5. So I have 2 minus 5. You know my answer is what? Mod 6, right? Now you have 3x, 2 minus 5 should give me what? Should give me minus 3. Do you know that? I'm very sure you know that. Now mod 6. Now how am I going to add 6 to this number so that it will be divisible by 3? It should not be minus here. We don't need this minus. So when I add 6 plus minus 3, I will get 3. It's divisible by what? It's divisible by 3. When I add 6 to 3 also, it will give me 9. You can see that's how it will be going. So give me 9. 6 plus 9, that will give me what? That will give me 15, right? 6 plus 15, that will give me 21. 6 plus 15, that will give me what? 27. In fact, this one will continue giving me a number, but I told you earlier that number that should be here should be less than what? Should be less than 6. Number that should be here. Now the first one, I'm picking 3 now. So I have 3x equals to 3 what? Mod 6. So when I divide 3 divided by 3 by 3, so here I will get 1 mod 6. Do you know that now? Because number, when I divide this, I have 1 is less than 6. So because let's try all those numbers up. The one that is bigger than what? Than the modulo, we don't use it, then we stop. Because a particular question can have 2 answers, even some can have 4 answers. It's possible, depending on what you are given. So I don't want you to feel like, okay, which one am I going to pick from these two answers? You can pick the two of them so far as satisfy the rule. That is the main thing there. Now let's look at the next one now. Now we have 9, we have tried 3. Let's try this 9 also. So you have 3x over 3 equals to 9 mod what? Mod 6. Now we can divide both sides by 3. 3 cancel what? 3 cancel 3 here. 3 here 1. 3 in 9 is what? Is 3. And 3 is less than 6. So it means we can also have 3 what? 3 mod 6. Do you see that now? Now let's try 15. So we also have 3x over 3 equals to 15 mod what? Mod 6. Now we divide both sides by what? By 3. 3 cancel 3. 3 here 1. 3 here is what? Is 5. 5 is less than 6. So we can also, our answer can also be what? 5 mod what? Mod 6. Sorry for all this thing I'm doing here. Now I just want you to get a glimpse of it. Now let's now check 21. So if you use 3x over 3 equals to 21 mod what? Mod 6. Now when you divide this thing by 3, 3 here 1, 3 here 1, 3 here is what? Is 1. 3 in 27 is what? Is 7. So this 7 is more than mod 6, so you don't use this. Because when you still, if you I must say this after all. So when you still divide this thing, 6 goes in 7 is 1 remainder, you still get back this answer. So no matter what you continue doing, your range will be between 1 mod 6, 3 mod 6, and 5 mod 6. That is the logic. So the last one now, we have 3x equals to 6. Let me clear everything here, so I can just write that one straightforward. Because this thing looks rough. You can pause the video and copy the question, or you follow along with me. Now we have 3x equals to 6 mod 9. So how do we solve this? I've cleared you now. Now we have 3x equals to 6. You have what? Mod 9. Now how do we solve this now? The first one, this one is straightforward. You can divide, this can be divided, but 6 can divide 3. So you can say 3x divided by 3. This will just go straight 6 over what? Over 3. Then mod 9. This one can go 3 here 1, 3 here is what? Is 2. 3 here should be 2. So 3 cancel 3 here. It means the first one, our first answer is 2 mod 9. That one is straightforward. Next one, when you add 3 to 6, you have 9, right? You have 9, right? So we have 3x over what? Over 3 equals to 9 over 3. Then you have what? Mod 9, right? So 3 cancel 3 here. 3 here 1. 3 in 9 is what? Is 3. So 3 is less than 9. So you can have 3 what? 3 mod 9 as also an answer. No problem. This is first one. Then you can also have, when you had 9 plus 9, that is 8. I'm adding 9 to it. Now the first one we had 9, you have 6. 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6 should give us 15. Yeah, this one should be 15. There was a mistake there. Next one should be 15. That will be 3x over what? Over 3 equals to 15 over what? Over 3 mod 9. Sorry for that, please. Sorry for that. We are adding 9, not 3. I'm adding 3. Mod 9 to it. So 3 here 1, 3 here is what? Is 5. So 5 is less than 9. So here should be 5 mod 9, not 3 mod 9. I'm sorry for that. It happens. Nobody's above mistake. Now, you should have what? You should have what? You should have what? 5 here. Now, if you add 15 plus 9, 15 plus 9 will give us 24. And it's not divisible by what? 24 is divisible by what? By 3. So, you can also go 9 plus 15 will give us 24. That is very sure. So, you now have 3x over 3 equals to 24 over what? Over 3 mod 9. You're adding 9 to this number, you're adding 9 to this number, 9 to this number, then you're adding 3 because of this x. I'm looking for x, I'm dividing both sides by 3. 3 cancel 3. 3 here 1, 3 here what? 3 here 8. So it means also here you can also have what? 8, because 8 is less than mod what? Is less than what? Mod 9. This is where to stop. When you check another number, 24 plus 9, that should give us 33. Now 33 goes in 3, that is 11, and 11 is bigger than what? Is bigger than 9. So these are the 3 values for this particular solution. There's one question here again. Let's try one more. I just want to ask, was this particular one always give student lots of problem? I want us to try another one. Let's assume we have, let's someone give us something like this. What if you have I done this? Have I done this? Okay, let's assume now someone give us let me use this. Let's say we have 2x plus 3 equals to 1 mod what? Mod 6. Now you transfer this to the other side, we have what? 2x equals to, now this will be what? 1 minus 3. And 1 minus 3 is what? That is what? Minus 2. So we have 2x equals to what? Minus 2 mod what? Mod 6. Now you'll be adding 6 to this number to give us what? Number divisible by 2. Now 6 plus minus 2, I'll get 4. 6 plus 4, I'll get 10. All this one are divisible by 2. 6 plus 10, I'll get 16. 6 plus 16, I'll get 22. 22 plus 6, that will get what? 28. 28 plus 6, I should get 34. If I'm right. Yes, I'm right. So these are the number divisible. Let's just stop here. Now I told you that when you are dividing, anytime number here is bigger, when you divide it, and another number here, when you divide it with is bigger than this 6, then you don't use the number. Now let's use 4 now. So you have 2x equals to what? 4 mod what? Mod 6. So we are going to divide both sides by 2. By 2. 2 cancel 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here is what? Is 2. So the first one you have what? 2 mod what? Mod 6. That is the first one. Let's take the next one, 10. So you have 2x over 2 equals to 10 over 2 mod what? Mod 6. So 2 cancel 2. 2 here is 1. 2 in 10 is what? Is 5. So here is what? 5 mod what? Mod 6. You do get that now. Now let's look at another one. Let's look at 16. You should know that this one will always give you 2x divided by 2. Let's just try it. Then you have for 16 mod what? Mod 6 over what? Over 2. 2 cancel 2. 2 here 1. 2 here is what? Is 8. You can see this 8 is bigger than mod 6, so you cannot use this 8. You have to stop at these 2. So these are the 2 values for this particular question. So that is all for modular arithmetic. Thank you very much for staying this far with me. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel. We meet in our 5th week. Thank you very much.